Hello everyone, welcome to my video on psychological development stage 6. This is intimacy. If this development fails, there will be isolation. This development takes place during age 19 to 40. So this is very important stage of development. Thousands have watched my videos, liked it, and to get notification 220 people have subscribed. Have you subscribed? As per YouTube Studio analysis, majority of my audience are mothers who are in the age group of 45 to 54. This video may be useful to the people who are planning to get married or people who are likely to get a job or working in the company. Many participants of my TA workshop used to say, I wish I had attended this workshop before getting married or before joining an organization. Well friends, a newborn baby is like a laptop without operating system. In my last videos, there were to make 5 stages of psychological development. First stage, if it is successful, remaining stages will be successful. If all the stages are successful, the person will be successful in life. Please watch all these 5 videos if you have not watched. Now we begin to this today's topic. Development of stage 6, intimacy, starts during the age of 19 to 40. You can say 19 to 22, that is college days, and then if you are joining in the organization, you join at the age of 23, or if you are joining after post graduation, you join at the age of 25. So then you have colleagues working in the office. Now you need to have an intimate relation with the classmates or colleagues. Now how do you define intimacy? The noun says deeply knowing another person. That hasn't happened observing him in for few days. That doesn't happen in a conversation. You need to understand body language, because you know that we all got multiple faces. We have something in mind and we say something. This will be revealed in the body language or in the facial. So if you look at the facial expressions or body language, you can make out whether that person what he is saying is true or false. Intimacy can be broken into 5 categories. One is emotional intimacy, second is intellectual intimacy, third is physical intimacy, fourth is experiential intimacy, and the last is spiritual intimacy. We need intimate relation with friends to be successful, to support each other. At 18 or 19, you have become a young adult studying in college for 4 years or 6 years, and at the age of 23 or 25 you join the office. You need to form intimacy, loving relationship, but most of the parents, they prohibit such a relationship because their parents, that is grandparents, prohibited relationship. Now to what kind of relationship you have to maintain, that is up to you. You need to be, you should have judgment of the people, and you should know maybe how he behave. For example, there are people, beginning with personality disorders, that they dislike and hate others, and they tell lies, and they are emotional. These are some of the personality disorders. You may use social media, that is LinkedIn, started in 2002. I have got 10,776 connection in LinkedIn. You may use Facebook, started in 2004. I have got 4,900 friends. You may have account in Twitter, started in 2006. Now friends, why this development is very important? If this development fails, there will be feeling of loneliness and isolation. fears of others, or negative self-esteem. Watch my videos on development stage 7 on 7th during age 40 to 65. This is generativity. That is, in the case of children, the parents are in the age group of 45 to 65. This is called as generativity. It means accepting children's mates and friends. If they have prejudice and hatredness, they will probably not allow you to mix with the people, because they may be belonging to other caste or other state, other religion. So they may prohibit. What will happen? You will be feeling lonely. You will have fears of others. Then I will be having my 8th stage of development, that is called stagnate. What do you call? Sorry, 1 minute. That is called 1 minute. Integrity. Integrity means, most of the people after certain age or after retirement, they feel isolated, because once they stop working, they are not able to connect to the people. So they feel left out, and they feel disappointed. As I have done, I have started developing my passion for training and counseling. So I started learning transactional analysis at the age of 55. So you may learn some skills that will help you to be engaged for a second inning after retirement. That will allow you to be engaged with the people, and you will have a lot of friends or a lot of contacts, and then some income also. So develop these skills so that you are after 65 you will be successful in life. Well friends, now these 8 videos are on psychological development to make you successful. There is another aspect the parents need to observe and correct, that is called personality disorders. Personality disorders, there are 10, so I am making 10 videos. This is basically happens to people who had a very bad childhood. So this is very important. If you observe, correct this behavioral problem, they will be free from the mental sickness. Otherwise, they stay along with these personality disorders, and it will affect the family life, career, and everywhere. So well friends, here I conclude my today's video. Please subscribe to get notification of all my remaining videos of psychological development, and on 11th I will be starting personality disorders. Friends, thank you.